In today's video, I'm going to teach you Gemini app, how to change voice to female. If you prefer to hear a female voice when interacting with the Gemini app, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute or two. I'll move slowly and explain what you're tapping and why, so you feel confident making the change. First, open the Gemini app on your device. Give it a second to load to the main screen. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure the app is updated so all voice options are available, but you don't need to change anything else right now. Next, look for your profile. This is usually found at the top corner of the screen, often shown as your avatar or the first letter of your account. Tap Profile to open your account area. This is where Gemini keeps your personal preferences, and changing the voice is one of those preferences. Inside the profile area, tap Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. Settings is where you control how Gemini sounds, responds, and behaves. We're heading there specifically to adjust the voice. Now, find and tap Gemini's voice. This section is dedicated to the app's speaking style. When you open it, you'll see a list of available voices. The exact names and number of options can vary depending on your device and region, but female voices will be clearly listed alongside others. Here's the fun part. Select the female voice you prefer. You can tap a voice to preview how it sounds, then choose the one that matches your taste. Maybe something warmer and more relaxed, or a brighter, more energetic tone. When you select a voice, the change usually takes effect right away, so the next response you hear from Gemini should use your chosen female voice. If you don't hear an immediate difference, make sure your device volume is up and not muted. Also, some voice options may depend on your language settings, so if your app language is different, the list of voices might change. That's normal. You can return to this screen anytime to try a different female voice until it feels just right. And that's it. You opened the Gemini app, went to your profile, opened Settings, tapped Gemini's voice, and selected the female voice you like. Feel free to test it by asking a quick question or prompting a short response. If you ever want to switch voices again, these same steps will take you right back to the voice menu. Enjoy your new listening experience with Gemini.